Video number 9. WhatsApp Web. WhatsApp Web is a computer-based extension of the WhatsApp account on your phone. WhatsApp Web establishes a connection with your phone and synchronizes your messages so that you are able to view all your messages in both your phone and in your computer. The WhatsApp Web service has been expected since the introduction of WhatsApp, which is now being updated to match Line and Telegram. To start using WhatsApp Web, you must go to web.whatsapp.com on your computer via whatever browser you use. Inside your mobile WhatsApp application, you must be located in the Chats area, and by clicking the menu list, it will display several options: New Group, New Broadcast, WhatsApp Web, Starred Messages, Status, and Settings. Click on WhatsApp Web. With your phone, scan the code on web.whatsapp.com by pointing your phone's camera at the QR code, and your WhatsApp session will start automatically. WhatsApp Web is just amazing. You can do the exact same things as in your cell phone. Every single thing done in the web version will be instantly synchronized on your WhatsApp cell phones. You must keep your phone connected in order for WhatsApp Web to keep working. You can set your WhatsApp Web to give you a notification each time you receive a message. You must click on Get Notified of New Messages and click Allow on your browser. You will now receive notifications of your messages. On the web page, you will see all the conversations you have had on your phone, both individuals and groups. If you want, you can modify your profile picture. You just need to click on your photo and you'll see the option to view photo, take photo if you have a camera, upload photo, or remove photo. You can also change your status. You can start a new chat by clicking on the message icon. Select one of your contacts or type their name in the search box to find them more easily and start a new conversation. If you click on the menu, which is the 3 vertical dots, you will see several options: New Group, Profile and Status, Notifications, Help, and Log Out. Click on New Group to create a new group. You have the option of adding a picture, a subject, or participants. You can take a photo if you have a webcam or simply upload one from your computer. On Profile and Status, you will see your profile and status. You can modify it here as well. On Notifications, you can check or uncheck desktop alerts and sounds. You can also turn off sounds and alerts for 1 hour, 1 day, or 1 week. On Help, click FAQ for help using WhatsApp Web. To contact support, open WhatsApp on your phone and tap Menu, Settings, Help, Contact Us. The last of the main WhatsApp Web options is Log Out, which will simply log you out of the WhatsApp Web application. Now, let's see how to send messages using WhatsApp Web. In the search box, you type the name of the contact you want to chat with, or simply pick one of your last conversations. If you click on the down-oriented small arrow, a list of options will be displayed: Archive Chat, Mute, Delete Chat, and Mark as Unread. As in your phone, when you open a conversation, you can see if the contact is online, typing, or last seen at. If you click on the 3 vertical dots icon in the upper right-hand corner of the conversation, you will see Contact Info, Chat Archive, and Delete Chat options. Clicking on Contact Info will show you more information about the contact, like his photo, status, phone number, and the groups to which you are both a part. At the bottom, you will see the red Delete Chat button. On Archive Chat, you will receive a message letting you know that the chat is being archived, and also when it is already archived. If you click again on the 3 vertical dots icon, you will find that the second option has changed to Unarchive Chat. Now, if you select the Delete Chat option and click on Delete, it will let you know that the chat is being deleted, and also when it is already deleted. If you reopen this chat, you will see that now it has no messages. WhatsApp Web also has emoticons. You will find there are more sections, and they are grouped differently than in the phone app. There are flowers, food, sports, travels and places, objects, numbers, arrows, and flags of various countries, among others. As on the mobile version, while chatting you can see a watch, which means it is being sent, a gray check, which means that it has been sent, a gray double check means it has been received, and it will turn blue when it has been read. The WhatsApp website can also make use of your microphone. It will ask your permission. Just click on Allow or on Deny. You now can use your microphone to send voice messages via the web, the same as with a phone. You must press the microphone button while you are talking, and once you are finished, release it. If you want to share images, you only need to click on the Attach File icon that looks like a small paperclip. You will be shown two options, an image icon and a camera. Click on the image icon for sharing an image from your computer. You can add a caption if you want. Once more, click on the Attach File option. This time, click the camera icon. You will see a dialog box asking your authorization to use your camera. Click on Allow. Take the picture with your camera and send it over.